3, 2, 1. Building muscle in 30 days, the ultimate guide to gain size and strength. Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic for all of you looking to transform your physique and gain some serious muscle in just 30 days. In this video, we'll be sharing 10 essential tips to help you achieve your muscle building goals. So, let's dive right in. Before we begin, it's important to note that building muscle requires consistent effort, proper nutrition, and a well-designed workout plan. Make sure to consult with a fitness professional or personal trainer to tailor these tips to your specific needs and abilities. Now, let's get started with our first tip. Tip 1. Define your goals. The first step in any fitness journey is to set clear goals. Determine what specific muscle groups you want to target and the amount of muscle mass you aim to gain in 30 days. Having a specific goal will help you stay focused and motivated throughout the process. Tip 2. Progressive resistance training. To build muscle, you need to challenge your muscles with progressive resistance. Focus on compound exercises like squats, deadlifts, bench presses, and shoulder presses. Aim for 3 to 4 workouts per week, alternating between different muscle groups to allow for proper recovery. Tip 3. Form and technique. Proper form and technique are crucial for maximizing muscle growth and preventing injuries. Ensure you use the correct posture, range of motion, and breathing techniques for each exercise. If you're unsure, consider working with a qualified trainer to guide you through the proper techniques. Tip 4. High-intensity workouts. Intensity is key when it comes to building muscle. Incorporate techniques like supersets, drop sets, and rest pause sets to push your muscles to their limits. Remember to increase the weight or resistance gradually to keep challenging your muscles as you progress.